The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Tatak RMN.
Vote Manix Dalipe for Mayor. Number 1 na balota.
Number 1 na performance, number 1 na ayuda, number 1 sa progreso, number 1 sa puso nyo. Mayor Manix Dalipe! Pabor no olvida, numero 1 na balota, Mayor Manix Dalipe. Number 1 na performance, number 1 na ayuda, number 1 sa progreso, number 1 sa puso nyo. Mayor Manix Dalipe! Pabor no olvida, numero 1 na balota, Mayor Manix Dalipe.
This political ads is paid for by Manuel A. Dalipe.
Tatak RMN.
Vote Jan Dalipe for Congressman, District 2, number 1 na balota.
Jan Dalipe para Kongreso, Jan Dalipe sigurao el progreso. Numero 1, Jan Dalipe kita ay nota. Numero 1, Jan Dalipe. Numero 1, Jan Dalipe kita ay nota. Numero 1, Jan Dalipe.
This political ads is paid for by Manuel A. Dalipe.
Tatak RMN.
Manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa Land Bank. Open, pay, and win promo. Mag-download lang ng Land Bank mobile banking app. Mag-open ng account at magbayad ng bills gamit ang app. May chance kang manalo buwan-buwan until August 31, 2025. Visit Land Bank's official website and social media channels or branch near you for more details. Per GTI Fair Trade Permit Number FTEP 215204 Series of 2025, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and a member of PDIC and BancNet.
Mahilig ka ba sa kape? Mahirap na kung laging nagpapalpitate. Baka atakihin ka sa pagpili ng kape. Always choose the healthier alternative. Huwag ka sa 3-in-1. Piliin mo ang all-in-one. Choose EXL Coffee Mix 17-in-1. Ito ay puno ng mga likas at makapangyarihang sangkap tulad ng native purple corn, Arabica, spirulina, ginseng, ginger, turmeric, ganoderma, mangosteen, malunggay, cinnamon, guava, at rose hips. Sa bawat higop, dama mo ang lakas na magdadala sa iyo sa tagumpay. Walang mahirap kung kaagapay mo ang EXL Coffee Mix 17-in-1. Go for health, go for life with EXL. May buhay sa makabuhay.
That portion was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
Alex! Alex! Alex!
Hi, Miss Alex Gonzaga. Dako kay kong fan nimo, pero unsaon man nimo pag-manage siya imo busy lifestyle? Acting, vlogging, editing, murag karon may ka sa phone.
Hello! Alam niyo naman na super laging pagod ang eyes ko. Nag-e-edit ako sa cellphone, sa laptop. I discovered Eyeberry Gold. This is to prevent eye twitching, panglalabo ng mata because of aging. Eyeberry Gold with lutein free.
Gipili ni TV personality Alex Gonzaga ang Eyeberry Gold kay aduna kini 10 mg lutein.
Ang Eyeberry Gold with 10 mg lutein mapalit sa mercury drug ug mga suking botika.
Alam paalala ang Eyeberry Gold with 10 mg lutein ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
FPJ Panday Bayanihan, hawak kamay para sa kinabukasan. Maglilingkod para sa ating bayan. Panday ng bukas, tayo'y magtulungan para sa kapwa Pilipino. Bayanihan tayo, FPJ Panday Bayanihan.
Political advertisement paid for FPJ Panday Bayanihan Party List. Paid by FPJ Productions Incorporated, 457 Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With Alpha, Beta, Gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, capsule, coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
Tatak RMN.
Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.